Alright guys, thank you and welcome to this one, another one. Here we go. Now, from today onwards, I want to tell you that stop accepting the things you cannot change. I repeat that, stop accepting the things that you cannot change. But also on the other hand, I want to go ahead to tell you that you should not also accept you should not sit and just look at the things you cannot accept. You should try to change the things you cannot accept. Don't accept the thing you cannot change, but also change the things you cannot accept. In a simple term, you know, even me myself trying to derive this is a little bit technical or twisting, but I think I've brought it very clear to you. I repeat this. Don't accept the things you cannot change, but change the things you cannot accept. And this is today what I have for you in this video. I think it is self-explanatory. I don't need to explain much. Just the way it is. Thank you for watching this video. May I request you to subscribe. And if you also care about other people, you can share with them. And you can give a like so that it is recommended to you. And a motivating comment also down is appreciated. Thank you and bye-bye.